how to fix this app won't work for your device in Play Store. So if you want to fix this app won't work for your device in your Play Store problem, then what you need to do, first, you just need to simply open up your Play Store. After opening your Play Store, you need to go with your profile, which is on the top right. Once you're on your profile, tap on Manage your Google account, and then you need to scroll down and go with Data and Privacy, and then scroll down and tap on Apps and Services, which will be right here. As you do that, you'll be able to see all the services that you use from Google. Once you tap on it, you will have your Google dashboard. So you need to scroll down and find the Google Play settings. Once you find your Google Play, you need to tap on Settings right here. Now, as you tap on Settings, all you have to do is scroll down and tap on the Update option, which will be right here, and make sure that you have the latest version of Google Play Store app on your device. Now go back and tap on the Settings application of your device. Then tap on About Phone, and you need to just tap on Check for Updates. Tap on your version that you're using and check for any software updates. If you have any updates, you need to just go and update your software and your problem will be fixed. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.